How often are we under attack?
Well, we are under attack at this moment.
As we speak?
As we
Like,
speak.
it's
How
like
many,
there's literally
how many
like-
attempts
Oh.
are you catching every
Well,
day?
hundreds of thousands a day.
A day.
A
Okay.
day.
And these are mostly malware.
Halo-halo na yan, ma'am, no? So, ang tinitingnan natin dyan, for the whole national security spectrum, iba-iba lang din yung level of attacks for certain industries.
Mhm.
So, meron talagang sila yung pinaka-target.
Okay.
So, talagang sobrang dami talaga nilang receive na attack vectors, no? Kasi at this point in time, we're already looking at botnets.
Okay.
No? So, hindi na talaga like human
It's not
hackers
humans
sitting
already.
there and doing that. Diba? It takes an algorithm
Right.
and a machine could be the one attacking certain systems already.
And these attacks usually come in what form? How has the face of cybercrime changed over the last 5-10 years?
Well, multifarious na siya. Before, when you say a hacker, an attacker, it's a hoodie, naka-hoodie sa
naka-black
isang
hoodie.
dark basement,
yeah.
no? But it's no longer, no? Hindi mo na nga alam kung tao pa siya. Hindi mo na talaga alam kung anong form ang magiging attack. So, there's a lot that's really going on at this point in time. And there's a lot of buzzwords.
Yeah.
We are into cybersecurity and now nag-delve na tayo into AI and now we have quantum computing.
Right.
Diba? So napakarami na. So we say that's the triangle that we really need to address and look in. AI is everywhere and it can practically do anything.
Yeah.
So how do you utilize it? Ngayon, ang tinitignan natin, sabi mo kanina ma'am, land, air, sea, and cyber. But now there's another domain that we need to address. That's the information domain.
Okay.
Diba? Yung sa cyber is the tool, dito dumadaan yung data.
Yeah.
And yun ang problema, no? Ando dun na yung fake news, di ba? Misinformation, disinformation, and malinformation.
Right.
So how do you address that?
Now, war on words.
Oo.
War
Diba?
of words.
Oo, propaganda,
Oh.
those things.
And that
no?
destabilizes the
And
government.
Not just, it doesn't end there. It sumanga pa siya sa another domain or spectrum, which is the cognitive domain.
Okay.
It's the mind, the battle of
Mindset.
narratives creates a different mindset. And lahat ito, no, interconnected siya with one another.
How do you fight this war on disinformation through cyber then?
Yun
Considering
nga,
the
ma'am.
sources are wala ng borders, wala ng geographical
And you
limits.
can't get to their algorithm either.
You can't get to their algorithm
Kaya,
either.
iba na nga po yung suot ng bagong warriors of today. Diba? So the new soldiers of today is not just us, the AFP, but all of us basically as Filipinos. Diba? So we should have that mindset that we are part of this. We're part of cybersecurity. We're part of securing even our own history, our own narratives as Filipinos.
How has cybersecurity now become more about, I guess, recovery than actual perfection of your defenses?
Well, yan kasi ang importante, sir. Lalo na for businesses, di ba? When you have a business, and sabi kasi natin may core na 4 na tenets na kailangang ma-fill in to say that you're cyber secure. So one is, di ba, yung tinatawag nating non-repudiation is one. Yung integrity, confidentiality. So, confidentiality is, kapag kami ni Sir Gino nag-uusap, di ka dapat makinig, ma'am. It's confidential between us, di ba? Second is what
Pero mahirap sa Pilipinas yan.
Di ba?
Dami ko ng ganyan. Pare, huwag mo sasabihin to Next week, alam na.
In cyber, they try to address that.
Okay.
So, the second is integrity.
Yeah.
So, ibig sabihin, kung ano yung sinabi ko sa'yo, dapat
Yun
yun
na yun.
ang ma-receive
Yun na
mo.
yun.
So, if I say, Miss Mimi, I'm coming at 10 a.m., you should receive I'm coming at 10 a.m. If you receive a message that says 11 a.m., somebody in the middle changed it and it loses integrity.
Mahirap din sa Pilipinas
And
yan.
the third is
Yes.
the third is non-repudiation clause. That means if I say, Mom, I'm coming, and then you say, oh, hindi ka dumating. No, I didn't say I'm coming. So it's non-repudiation. Ibig sabihin, i-deny ko
Binawi
that
mo
I
yung
sent,
sinabi mo.
diba? Binawi ko. And then it's also, you can deny that you received something. Oh, wala ko na-receive.
Ito na
Hindi ka
naman.
nag-send.
Ganyan
Diba?
na ganyan din sa bahay.
And the number 4 and the last is availability. How fast can you recover? Dapat nandyan siya, available siya. So pag itong 4 na to, ma'am, na-satisfy mo, then that is saying you are cyber secure. So, meron kayo, sir, di ba? You use WhatsApp, you use,
Yes.
So, sila, libre sila.
Right.
Pero they're telling us na, gamitin nyo kami kahit libre kami kasi we're cyber secure. How? Di ba, if you're sending a message, it says Mimi is typing.
Right.
Yes.
So it's acknowledging that you're trying to
You're
send
trying
a
to send
message.
a message.
When you click send,
Mhm.
it goes to their databases,
Uh-huh.
diba? Their servers, and there's gonna be one tick mark.
Yes.
So it says it's confidential, number one. Because we receive the message at our servers, nobody's tampering with it.
Right.
Diba? From our servers, I send it to your device, there's gonna be two
Second
tick
check,
marks. Diba? So it says there is integrity.
Yun pala
Kasi-
ibig sabihin ng one tick and two tick.
Yes. And so there's integrity. Hindi na tamper.
Yeah.
Eto. So anong lumalabas sa screen yun? It's end-to-end encrypted.
Yeah.
Yes.
Diba? So parang ina-assure tayo na, oy, cyber secure
safe to,
itong system namin.
Is it
Diba? And
BlackBerry
then,
that first came out with that or
yes.
something? Yeah.
And then when you read it, it's gonna turn, say, it's Viber is gonna violate
Ah.
that purple. Diba? So, non-repudiation. You will say, ni sinin
Yun pala
Ah.
yun.
Sinin mode mo
Pero
ko.
pag nagbayad ka ng
Yun
extra,
pala
pwedeng
yun.
hindi nila malaman.
Yes,
Diba? Ganun.
because you paid
May ganun
extra.
eh, diba?
So
Diba?
ma'am, do you trust yung ganong system?
Well, that's how
Kasi it feels
they
like a black box to me. Parang that's what they
Yeah.
say, but
Ah.
do you trust it? Knowing what
Kaya
you
nga,
know?
ma'am, they're trying to show
Ah.
that they're
Their process.
the
Ah.
process of
Transparent
that
process.
for
They're
cybersecurity
making you feel
tenets.
better. Like
Yeah,
parang,
you feel
look,
better.
I'll show you what's happening back end so you
Yeah.
can
So may
trust us
step-by-step
completely.
Yes,
na
but
check.
still, we don't have controls over their servers.
That's true. Yeah.
Diba?
That's the,
Because ganito yan. Ang security kasi, sir, is a third-party entity.
Mhm.
So, pag bumili ka ng laptop, you have to buy a
Antivirus. or whatever,
antivirus, diba?
no,
It's
ito,
like, you have a gate, but you didn't buy a padlock.
Right, yeah.
Diba? So, yung padlock, bibilin mo siya separate.
Mm.
So, ang misnomer kasi, akala ng tao, binili ko tong system na to. I
Safe
paid
na yan.
for a license system. Safe na to. But no, there's other mga third-party entities
Yeah.
who's selling security.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Kaya mag-hire ka ng security guard,
Ah.
'di ba? Meron
Yeah.
kang locks and keys. Those are it goes through in the cyber domain.
Get.
So
Oo.
ma'am, when you think about mga Philippine businesses, especially for SMEs, 99.9% of our businesses are small, medium enterprises. Are we there yet? You think they're there?
Kaya nga cost to for them. 'Di ba? Parang why would I invest so much in security?
Yeah.
So, meron naman, ma'am.
Naisip na maliit lang naman ako eh. Hindi naman
Maliit
ako
na naman
pag-aaksaya
yun.
ng
Yes.
panahon.
Yes, that
They won't
yan
even
kasi to a hacker, that's the mindset that they want.
Yeah.
Yung sinasabi lang yung sino yung Miss Mimi nila.
Mm.
Yung tinuturo mo lagi yung sarili mo na ako yun, hindi ako, wala silang gusto sa akin kasi maliit na entity lang
lang
ako
ako.
dito sa malaking system na to. So kung ako ma'am hacker ako, ikaw yung inaabangan ko. Kasi you will be ikaw yung butas
Ah.
na kaya kong mapasok.
Kasi alam kong wala kang response.
Yes,
wala
kasi
kang
sabi mo hindi ikaw yun eh.
Mm.
So ikaw yung may post-it sa ilalim na nandun yung username password sa ilalim ng keyboard. yun. Oo. Ikaw yung hindi nag-off ng computer at night and then go home. So yung computer mo, yun yung papasukin ko.
Mm.
Kasi iniwan mo
Ganun
siya.
ba yun? Pag you leave your computer open at night?
It's an open port.
It's an open, yeah. Because and unless you're not connected to the internet, then
Yes,
know,
if
wala
you're
kang
connected to
LAN
the
or whatever.
network, then I'm waiting for
Again,
that.
the
So you
same
should
thing-
really close when you're not using.
Because yun lang, for any attacker, ma'am, they just need an open port.
Nabitin sa usapan? Let's keep it going.
This is
Technically Speaking.
Catch the full conversation on YouTube and Spotify or wherever you listen to podcasts.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Globe Business. Watch more episodes and get more exclusive content at globe.com.ph/business.